Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Recraft AI. First, navigate to the Recraft AI platform, either through its website or dedicated application. Once there, you'll need to create a new account or simply log in if you're a returning user. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the intuitive user interface, noting the main navigation bar and the canvas area where your designs will come to life. This initial step sets the foundation for all your creative projects. Now, let's dive into creating your first project. Begin by selecting your desired project type from the available options, whether it's an image, an illustration, or a unique icon. Next, articulate your vision by typing a clear and concise text prompt into the generation box. Recraft AI will then present you with several initial design concepts. You can further refine these by choosing from diverse artistic styles, including vector, three-dimensional, or realistic photography to match your aesthetic. Once you have your initial design, it's time to customize and refine it to perfection. Recraft AI offers a robust set of editing tools, allowing you to precisely adjust colors, select from a wide array of fonts, and rearrange layouts with ease. You can also add or remove specific elements to enhance the overall composition. Don't hesitate to iterate. Modify your original text, prompt slightly to generate fresh variations, and explore different creative directions until you achieve your desired outcome. Finally, after all your hard work, it's time to export and share your amazing creations. Recraft AI provides several popular export formats, including high-quality PNG for raster images and scalable SVG for vector graphics. Before downloading, you can select your desired resolution and quality settings to ensure your output meets your specific needs. Once exported, you can easily share your designs directly from the platform to social media, email, or integrate them into other projects, showcasing your creativity to the world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.